and scoop. Robots and Leia having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck. Look, it's the airport.
Red plane, you're clear for landing.
Leia is working as an air traffic controller. She tells the airplanes when they can land and when they can take off. The red plane is getting ready to park. And what's happening inside the terminal building? Shall we look? Leo and Lifty are making a baggage conveyor belt. This is the last part.
Lifty, start it up.
Forklift Lifty is pressing the button. The conveyor belt is moving.
But where's the baggage?
That's strange. Let's go and look.
The plane landed ages ago. The passengers have already disembarked. The robots are unloading the baggage.
Why are you being so slow? Unload a bit quicker, please.
The red robot is throwing the suitcases down, and the others are catching them. Nice work! Oh, what a huge pile of suitcases!
Oh, I caught it.
There aren't any more suitcases left in the plane.
Hi there. Do you need any help?
Hello. Actually, we've unloaded everything.
Oh,
It looks like the robots are very tired.
Hi there. How are you gonna take that baggage to the terminal? Oh. Well, robots?
Let's build a truck.
Yes! Oh, yes! To carry all the baggage.
Leia and Leo had the same idea at the same time about what they need to do. Put together all the parts. The body. The motor. The wheels, 2 on one side. And 2 on the other, 4 in all. The cab. The driver's seat. The control panel with multicolored lights. The pedals. The steering wheel. The doors. What's that? The radiator grill. The headlights. The flashing light. The coupling for the trolleys. The windscreen. The truck is ready. You can't put the baggage straight onto the truck.
Wait a moment. We need some trolleys.
Yes, some trolleys. Let's go.
The trucks have to come to the hangar to choose some trolleys for the baggage. A tractor and trailer? No. A wheelbarrow?
No, that's not for baggage.
But the robots seem to like it.
Here are the trolleys we need.
Off we go.
Scoop is attaching the trolleys to the truck.
Oh.
Done! The robots, along with Lifty, Scoop, and Leo, are loading the suitcases into the trolleys. Look how neatly they're packed. Good job! Lifty has brought a green suitcase. Scoop is bringing an orange one. And look how many suitcases Leo is carrying. We can move off. All the baggage is in the trolleys.
Thanks, everyone.
It's a pleasure. Together, we sorted it out in no time.
Attention! Your baggage is now arriving for collection.
And here are the suitcases. As always, friends have sorted everything out. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck. We're at the airport. And here's Leia. She's got a little pink suitcase in her bed. Leia's going traveling. The robots have packed their bags too. What is the blue robot doing? Does he want to jump into the airplane? Crash! That didn't work.
Hello. What are you doing?
The robots are showing Leia that they want to get in the airplane and fly off.
Are you diving? No, you're a bird.
It looks like Leia can't understand them.
A big bird. A flamingo.
Hello. They want to get into the plane.
That's right, Leo. But to get into the plane, they need a gangway.
Let's put one together.
Leo unloads parts from his bed. First, join the green parts, the chassis and cabin. Put the wheels on. The purple fenders. The headlights. The bumper. the stabilizing legs. Here's the gangway, which the robots and cars will use. The seats, the steering wheel, and the doors. It's ready! Look how pleased the robot is. Do you want to drive, robot? The gangway is approaching the airplane. It's lowering its stabilizing legs. The robots are taking their suitcases and running to the plane. Oh no!
Oh! Something's wrong.
Robots, come down.
Why has the gangway started rocking? One of the stabilizing legs is missing. Where could it be?
There's nothing in here.
Let's go and see Lifty.
Lifty, the forklift, has got his own shop. He'll probably have a leg for the gangway. Lifty, where are you?
Huh?
Hello? Come with me.
Lifty has found 3 different legs in his shop.
Choose which one.
Huh? This one's a bit too long. This one's too short.
This one's just right.
That's great!
Thank you, Lifty.
You've forgotten something.
Hmm?
Huh?
Leo's cap. The robots can't wait any longer. Robots, Leo is on his way. Time to put the stabilizing leg in place. There! Now the gangway won't rock about. Leia's already in the plane. But the robots are still afraid.
Hey, don't be scared. See you!
The gangway is retracting. The door is closing. The airplane is starting its engines. Leo, Leia, and the robots are off on their travels. The airplane is speeding up and taking off. Have a good flight. Oh, the suitcases.
Oh dear. I knew they'd forget something.
Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. Leo the truck is driving along the road. Hi, Leo. Are you bringing new parts? Wow, a full bed. Lifty and Scoop are playing at the amusement park. But Leo's not going to join them.
Who's going to the robot's home? Robots! Knock, knock, knock. Leo's here. Hi. The robots are very happy. Leo brought a surprise for the robots. These are parts for a minivan that they can drive around in, just like Lifty, Scoop, and Leo. Oh, the wheel rolled away. Let's start building. Red chassis. Wheels. 1, 2, 3. Where's the fourth wheel? There it is. Good job, robot. These are batteries. The robot's minivan will run on electricity. Electric motor. A yellow panel where folding chairs for the robots are attached. The steering wheel and yellow control panel. Do you like it, robots? Body. And doors. The minivan's ready. The robots are very happy. They press the button. Look at how the door opens. The robots go in. The red robot's behind the wheel. Let's go! Strange. Why isn't the van moving? Oh, the robots thought of something. Yes, it worked. Let's go. The minivan's moving, but very slowly. I wonder why. Ah, two robots are pushing it. Stop. Leo, why isn't the minivan moving on its own? Ah, the batteries are dead. They need charging. Robots, push. Leo found a place where you can charge them. Connect the car to the wind generator. The wind generator rotates due to the wind and charges the minivan's battery. It turns out the minivan will run on wind power. Wow! It's ready. Now the minivan can move on its own. The robots and Leo quickly go to the amusement park. The music in the minivan works. Robots, don't miss the turn. Scoop, Lifty, hi. It's cool everyone's here. Let's ride the carousel. Good job, Leo.
Lifty and Scoop, Robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck. This is the airport. Leo the truck and his friends are waiting for an airplane, but they've still got some time to play. The robots are playing tag.
Flight number 123 has been delayed.
And what's happening on the airfield? The tanker is filling the plane with fuel.
We're probably going to take off soon.
The robots are tired of waiting. They're drawing funny faces on the icy windows. Don't push, robot. There's enough room for everyone. The blue robot has found a ball. Crash!
Hey,
Oh, I caught it.
Robots, you can't play soccer in the airport.
You nearly smashed the cups.
And you're snitching on your friends.
The robots are so sad. They're getting so bored waiting for the airplane to be ready for takeoff. What should they do? Oh, the purple robot had found a toy car. Are you going to play with it? That's cheered them up.
Flight number 123 has been canceled.
But that's our flight.
and we're not going to fly anywhere.
Strange. The snow has stopped.
Let's check and see.
Good idea, Scoop. The airplane is in position, but it's covered in ice and icicles. Haha, the robot is trying to knock off an icicle with a broom.
No. We'll never be ready to fly like that.
Huh?
Don't get upset. Scoop is waving. He and Leo have thought of something. These are the parts for a new vehicle.
A de-icing machine.
A de-icing machine? How interesting. The chassis. An orange platform. The cabin. The wheels. The brake lights. The headlights. The flashing light. The control panel. The cannon, which will spray the antifreeze. The red robot is sitting down in the driver's seat. And the blue robot is going to control the cannon and spray the plane. The robots are very keen to wash off all the ice and icicles from the plane, but we've forgotten to fill the tank with antifreeze.
Wait!
Everyone start looking.
The robots are bringing hot tea. They think that they can pour that into the de-icer. Scoop has decided to pour in lemonade. But Lifty knows what to do. This canister has a special liquid inside. If they spray the plane's wings with it, they won't have any more trouble with ice and icicles.
Ugh.
That's no good.
Oh, fine. Ah.
Hooray!
Leo is very happy that Lifty found the antifreeze.
Robots, let's get to work.
The cannon is working. We can start de-icing.
Turn it on.
Look, the ice is clearing from the plane's wing. The robots have done it. Every single one of the icicles is gone.
Flight 123 is ready for takeoff. Passengers proceed to boarding.
The cars are all going up the gangway. The engines have started. The plane has taken off. Have a nice flight, airplane.